Hey guys, so I wanted to be able to show you guys the outline as well as I was speaking about this particular study. So I chose the effects of an interdependent group contingency on engagement in physical education. So the purpose of this study, which is very important to the field of ABA and even special education, was to determine whether a group contingency would increase engagement during elementary school physical education courses. So in this study, it was conducted at an urban elementary school in Virginia. There were 20 participants that were second grade students. 12 out of the 20 were boys. Four of them received support or services. So three received services in regard to language impairment, which were considered special education services, and one student had support as an English language learner. The PE classes were in a gymnasium that was an open space, so observers could see and record data and be able to see all the children that were in the class. The classes were 30 minutes and 3 days per week. The dependent variable for the study was small group behavior, which was operationally defined as students in a group setting that engage within an activity. So small group behavior was broken down into engagement and disengagement. So engagement being waiting appropriately, asking for help, taking turns, and participating in the center of the activity. And disengagement would be engaging in any problem behavior, whether it was verbally or physically, and not participating in the activity and leaving the area in which the activity is assigned. The observers used 5-second momentary time sampling, and it was measured once per day for an average of 17.5 minutes. IOA data was taken. It was above 80%. It was actually 88%, 86%, 89, and 90. The independent variable of the study was physical education sessions. And this study also talked about the fidelity and social validity of this research. For procedures, the students were grouped into 4 teams based upon a wristband and who the teacher initially believed would work well together. The team membership changed in the standard condition, which was group classroom activities, but the students never received in the standard condition explicit instructions or behavioral expectations or rewards for completing an activity. There was also whole group warm-up sessions for 5 to 15 minutes and then split into designated teams. The CW fit was an intervention that was used. So in the first 2 days of the intervention phase, the teacher explained the expectations and the procedures of the research, and then the teacher also wore a motivator in order to deliver behavior-specific social praise and points. If a team did not receive a point, the teacher provided them with a reminder to follow their directions. And if that team exceeded the points or met their goals for the day, they received a non-tangible reward. And for this study, the design used was an AB design. Thanks, guys.